In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure Steam Community Profile. First, make sure your Steam application is open and ready to go. Once Steam is running, look for the Login option. This is your gateway to your Steam account, where all your games, achievements, and community interactions come together. Click on Login, then enter your account name and password. Make sure your details are correct, and once everything looks good, click Sign In. This will take you to the main interface of your Steam account. On the Steam homepage, you'll see several options and features. To customize your community profile, click on your profile name, which is usually located at the top of the screen. Then select View My Profile to see your current profile, including your gaming activity and achievements. To make changes, click the Edit Profile button. Start by setting your profile name. This is how other gamers will recognize you, so choose something memorable. Next, add your location, which helps others know where you're gaming from. After entering these details, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. With the basics done, it's time to add some personal flair. Head to the Avatar section and choose an image that represents you in the Steam community. Browse through the available options, select one that suits your style, and click Save. Next, go to the Profile Background section. This allows you to add a visual theme to your profile. Choose a background that reflects your gaming personality, whether it's an intense gaming scene or a favorite design. Once selected, make sure to save it. After that, explore the Theme section. Here, you can apply a color or design theme that complements your avatar and background. This adds another level of customization and helps your profile stand out. As always, save your changes. Finally, configure your privacy settings. These settings let you control who can see and interact with different parts of your profile. You can adjust visibility for your profile, game details, friends list, inventory, and comments, setting each one to public, friends only, or private depending on your preference. And that's it! Your Steam community profile is now fully customized and ready to shine. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!